When I'm entertaining in the warmer months, I like to serve a variety of interesting side dishes to complement simple grilled or roasted meats, fish or poultry, and I find the foods of the Mediterranean region provide many great options. This delicious recipe from Turkey that includes eggplant, lentils, tomatoes, peppers and mint, slowly baked in a pomegranate molasses and olive oil sauce, perfectly illustrates the creativity of foods from the Mediterranean region. Not only is it delicious, it has a high nutritional content. The preparation for this dish is extremely simple. The eggplant slices are salted and set aside for 30 minutes to draw out any excess moisture, and during this time the lentils are cooked. They can be cooked in the traditional way in a saucepan or steamed in the steam oven. The next step is to combine the chopped onions, garlic, tomatoes, chilies, mint and tomato paste with red chili flakes and salt. Now we are ready to assemble the stew and set it to bake. As you can see, the vegetables are layered in with the lentils and the rinsed eggplant, and now all we have to do is pour the olive oil around the mixture and drizzle the pomegranate molasses over the top. Is your mouth watering? It smells amazing. Either convection or convection bake are the ideal modes, set to 325, because this is a dish that's going to bake in a slow oven for a longer period of time. When you use convection, the heat circulates around the dish, cooking everything evenly, and there's no risk of evaporating the cooking liquids. The vegetables will basically melt into each other with the pomegranate molasses adding a slight tartness to balance out the flavors. I bake this stew in a cast iron saucepan with a lid. However, you can also bake it in a soufflé dish or smaller casserole dish, but cover it tightly with foil. Remember, anytime your convection or steam oven is in action, it's always an opportunity to cook another dish at the same time, especially when you have a recipe that is as easy as this one. We're actually serving our stew with some delicious broiled lamb kofta. I can't wait. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.